Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if customers are clicking the add to cart button on your Shopify store and nothing happens, that's a serious problem. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issues fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first just open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and try to refresh your page basically, or the storefront. Temporary temp glitches can break the cart function. We can also go to this online store here so we can look for our temps and edits. Make sure everything is looking good. You can also check this AI helps to design your store if you want. Check the product availability. Make sure the product is in stock and has inventory available by going through your product section, then all the way to inventory. Disable the recently installed apps. I always tell you this, since apps that modify the cart can conflict with the theme. By going to these apps here, app settings, then you're gonna wait, 3-dot menu, then tap on uninstall. You may also want to give them a reason to, and uninstall. You should also try and test it with a default temp. Switch temporarily to down to see if the issue is temp related. Check the variant selection. If variants aren't selected properly, add to cart won't work. And go ahead, clear the browser cache. All scripts can interfere with cart actions as well. Check the JavaScript for any errors and open the browser developer tools to do so. And that's the main idea of it. But if you still have some problem as a last resort, you can always contact the support, send them your message, some screenshots if you want to, and they will help you. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.